Alright, my first YouTube video. Hi everyone and welcome to Grow with Lovva, my brand new YouTube channel for everyone who wants to start their own fitness journey. So if you're just getting started with fitness or running, or you even just thinking about it, you have come to the right place. I want to inspire you to start your fitness journey just like I started mine a few years ago. Today I'm sharing my story from how I started in 2014. I thought I could never be athletic, and now I'm a person who just can't live without movement. So let's go. Growing up, I was never into sports. I just thought I was that kind of person who, it wasn't really possible for me to do sports. I was better at doing something else. So I was never participating in school sports. I was just standing in the corner waiting for the class to finish. And today I just can't live without fitness. And now I do both strength training and running. So if you're interested in either or both, let's go on this journey together. Deep down, I was always inspired by people who did sports, and I thought they were really cool, and I admired their passion and their strength. Digging deep into myself, I realized I do want to get that energy and confidence that they have. And fast mover to 2014, I decided to do something about it. So I packed my gym bag and I went to my local fitness. I went in, I started running for 10 minutes thinking, okay, that's it. And I did the cross trainer for 10 minutes also, I think. And I thought everyone is just looking at me. I felt so intimidating to be there. So I decided to walk out again. I didn't want everyone to look at me. But there was something about that session that actually stuck with me, because I really did want to make a change in my confidence and also in feeling confident in my own body. So from that day on, I decided to keep showing up for myself. And I enrolled in different classes in fitness to learn about how to train. And after a while, I got better. I started researching a lot on the internet to find out how to make my own strength program. But the difficult part was that I didn't know any of the names. So I had a strength training written, and I went to the fitness and I couldn't remember, like, what is this Bulgarian split squat? I didn't know what to do. So I started to do like a gym training schedule with little stick figures. And I just took a photo of it and I brought it to fitness, and I just did the same exercises for weeks. And I did start to see improvements, not just physically, but also mentally, that I actually did this for myself. And if we move forward to today, last year, 2024, I actually finished my first half marathon, and I'm so proud, because even though I started strength training, I didn't think I was able to run. Every time I ran, I got out of breath and was just uncomfortable. And now I'm also signing up for my first high rocks, and I'm so proud of that. Fitness has actually improved all areas of my life. It's both mentally and my inner strength, but also how I look at myself and my body. And I want to empower other women and men to feel the same and to start this positive journey in their life. So I thought, if I could do it, so can you. This channel is beginner friendly, and I want to share workout tips, beginner friendly workouts, how to get from air squats into advanced squats, and just how to be able to make your own workout, and how to, if you're into running, also how to mix running with strength training. I think it's the best mix, because you're both training your muscles and you're training your heart. So if you're interested in starting your own journey and you want to have me as your accountability partner, and I would be so happy to be that, hit the subscribe button, and I will make sure to make some great content for you and help you on your journey. Please feel free to reach out to me or write in the comments anything that you want to see or you want to learn about regarding fitness. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm looking forward to the next video.